저야 아비입니다. 제 YouTube channel dash 감사합니다. Ito na naman po tayo sa Iloilo International Airport and we are flying to Cebu today. Doon tayo mag-spend ng holidays. Pero for me and Carl, it's a working holiday. So, bumili kami ng siomai. This is worth 5 piraso. Is worth 85 pesos.
Take tape around the waist and push M to buckle.
Ay, wow. Amazing. Kaylan, are you okay? Are you okay? We have finally arrived in Cebu. Ang ganda ng ating pa-welcome, guys, na mga Halloween costume sila. Naupuntahan na natin yung ating sundo. We're gonna go have lunch. Yes. Nag-enjoy si Mama Dear. Tsaka si Kaylan, ang daming toys. Crispy chorizo, pork, chicken skin. You want to taste? Okay, when you like the chicken skin, how yummy is it? Like very yummy, yeah. Like 10 over 10, the chicken skin. You want to eat some more chicken skin? Oh. Yes?
That's a chicken nugget.
A chicken nugget dance. Good morning, everybody. We are back with another room tour, no? Currently, we are here in Cebu City. Dito kami magsispend ng ating holidays with Caps and his family. So, saan kami nag-Airbnb today? It's actually the same unit somehow. Okay, so yung pinuntahan namin na unit dito, no, sa Cebu is actually on the other side. Tapos itong unit na to, it's on the same floor. Nasa penthouse din siya, pero kabilang unit naman siya. Same owner as well. Pwede nyo rin siya mabook sa Airbnb. So, we booked this unit via Airbnb for about 8,000 pesos per night. Good na siya for ilan kami? Siguro 10 to 12 persons. Actually, it can even fit 15 persons siguro. You can also request for additional mattresses. Okay, so let's start our room tour. So this unit is on the 12th floor. Ito yung penthouse na floor. As you can see, ang interior natin, no, it's actually really dark kasi parang black yung ating paint. It's a matte finish. Ayan, makikita nyo, very black siya, very dark. And then yung mga lighting natin dito sa unit is really yellow. So pagpasok nyo dito sa entrance, ito agad ang bubungad sa inyo. Nandito yung ating dining, nandito yung ating living room. So dito meron tayo ditong ano ba tawag dito? Welcome area. Ano tawag sa area na ganito? So dito, nandito yung lahat ng ating mga shoes. Since marami tayo, nagkakalat ng ating mga shoes dito sa baba. So again, pagpasok nyo dito sa pinto, let's turn right. Pag turn nyo dito sa right, you will see this door, and this door actually leads to their kitchen. So tara, pasok tayo dito. This unit, no, as what we've seen, it's a lot bigger than the unit na stayan natin sa kabila. Kasi yung kitchen nila is mas malapad and then may window din siya. Yung sa kabila, yung kitchen, wala tayong window doon if you remember sa previous vlog natin. So ito, kompleto naman ang ating mga dishware. We have plates, spoon and fork. Meron tayong dalawang lababo. Then, this is our view. We have a microwave and then nandito yung iba naming mga pinamili. Nandito yung ating cooking area. Although wala siyang range hood, I wish meron. Wala silang gas stove. We have electric lang yung ating stove. Meron tayong kettle and our tiny baby rice cooker, no? Hindi siya kasya sa lahat ng tao na nandito. We have this Samsung refrigerator. It looks new. Sabi din kasi dun sa listing, it's actually newly renovated. So, meron kayong makikitang mga bakas. Kung ano man yung mga old na, old setup dito. Merong mga pintuan ni repaint. Meron yung ceiling natin inayos. Pero, yes, it's a renovated unit. You will see meron door dito. This also leads dun sa, it's like a back door kung sa bahay, no? So, exit din yan. Pabalik dun sa hallway. We have a door here. Hindi natin mabubuksan because it's connecting to the other unit na inistayan natin. So, dito yun yung access niya. And then here, meron tayong, I think this is the laundry area. Yes, it's actually a stock room. Pero most likely, this was the laundry area. So, ito guys, ang ating dining area. Makikita nyo na very heavy siya, no? Nara ba to? Ganyan. Kasi sobrang bigat niya. Ito yung tipong ng lamesa na pag nabangga mo, magpapasaka. Same with the chairs. Okay. So, dito, meron tayong water dispenser. It comes with a water dispenser. May window dito, may window dito. Almost panoramic yung view natin, no, sa unit na to. We have a really nice chandelier, although makikita nyo na it has aged a bit. The unit also has free Wi-Fi pala ha. Mabilis naman siya, pero dahil sa partitions ng mga room, medyo bumabagal na siya pag nasa room kayo. So, pwede naman mag-work dito sa dining table since it's really huge. It also has a split-type aircon. Akala nga namin before is hindi niya kaya yung laki ng unit, pero somehow, with the help of the electric fan, kayang-kaya naman niya. So, this is our L sofa. Pwedeng umupo ang buong family dito. Kita nyo naman yung choice of furnitures nila. Like, this chair, yung parang zebra chair ba yan? Leopard? I don't know. We have a internet TV. Nakakonect ito sa Wi-Fi so we can use Netflix, YouTube. This is the Samsung television. We have a really nice lamp here, no? Parang vintage siya na sirauna. And then right over here, we have a console table. Ito talagang console table na mayayamanin, no? You can see na ang daming mga vase din dito na yung tipong pagka nabasag parang hindi natin kayang bayaran. We have another mirror here. We have lamps. So, compared dun sa kabilang unit na in-stay natin, yung setup nito is more of, siguro, vintage, historic. Masasabi ba natin yan? May mga drawers dito pero natatakot kong buksan. Ito guys, ito yung wala dun sa kabilang unit. No? We have a bar area. And we are actually assuming na yung original na nagsistay dito is a golfer. Kasi naka-display dito yung kanyang mga trophies na first runner-up siya sa golf, meron siyang champion, ganyan. So we have a light here dito sa bar counter. Although wala siyang mga wala siyang mga equipment, wala kang actually magagamit dito. Although they do have a sink as well, and halatang hindi nagagamit yung area na to sa bahay, pati ng mga guests. Kasi medyo maalikabok siya guys na maagim. Yun yung pala yung downside ng unit na to is that medyo hindi pulido yung ating cleanliness. Hindi recommended na magpa kayo dito sa loob ng bahay. Although the floor is wooden, hindi siya tiles. I don't think it's tiles. It's wood talaga siya, or yung wood na tiles. Kasi after our family members did that, sobrang itim ng medyas nila, sobrang itim ng paa. So, I'm not sure how they clean the floors. And then dito guys, makikita nyo, we have a balcony. This balcony is a lot bigger than sa balcony sa kabila. And this one has a different view. Makikita nyo dito yung Ayala Malls, right over there. And then, nandito din yung Seda. Ayan, yung mga buildings dito sa Business Park ang tawag dito, Ayala Business Park. So, ito yung view natin. Maganda siya sa umaga, pero syempre, dahil major highway ito, yung nakikita natin sa baba, it's a major highway. So, makikita nyo yung traffic, and then yung mga kasi sliding door natin, hindi siya soundproof. So talagang pumapasok yung tunog ng lahat ng kotse pag may dumadaan na ambulance, fire truck, pasok na pasok dito sa loob ng bahay, pati sa mga rooms. Okay, so let's go back and check the bedrooms. So dito guys, ang ating hallway. So, makikita niya meron tayong mga paintings dito. Makikita niya, alam niyo yung pagkaluma na yung picture, meron na siyang mga mat siya ng mga yellow. Ganun din yung makikita niya sa mga paintings na to. So this is the first bedroom. I believe this is the master's bedroom. Makikita niyo meron tayong king size na bed. And yung setup niya talaga, no, parang sinauna. Alam niyo yung makikita niyo sa mga Filipino teleserye. Ganun yung makikita niyo dito. And then, they have a balcony. Although it's off limits, no? Hindi siya connected dun sa balcony natin sa living room, but it's actually off limits. So, ito yes, they have their own TV. Ayan, malapad siya guys. They have an office desk. They also have their own aircon. And then, ito yung mga cabinetries. Yan, yung mga cabinetries nila. And then, they also have their own bathroom. Ayan, yung bathroom nila dito, they have a bathtub. They also have a, dryer. Ayan, mga lock pa yung mga doors dito. So, very sure this is the master's bedroom. Sobrang lapad ng kanilang mirror. Ayan, nothing much to see here. Just the toilet. They have a bidet. And they have a rain shower. So, next, let's go to the other bedroom. Okay, right over here. Ito yung room namin ni Carl. Sorry, medyo magulo. We have a double-sized bed. Dito kami natulog. We also have a balcony. Although, exactly the same lang siya dun sa off-limits na balcony sa kabila. But this one is a lot wider, a lot bigger. If you can see. Off-limits din siya. Na nakasulat na off-limits. And wala siyang tables katulad dun sa living room. We have cabinetries here. This also has its own toilet. So, ayan ang ating lababo. Although wala tayong bathtub. Daming bedroom guys, no? This unit actually has 4 bedrooms and all of the bedrooms have their own toilet and bath. Pero dito we have a door. This one is the common toilet. Walang shower dito. This one only has a toilet and syempre yung ating sink. So this is the powder room. Now let's turn right again here. Meron pa rin tayong mga paintings. So we have 2 bedrooms here. This one, kina Bepep, dito sila magsistay mamaya. Yeah. No, dito pala si na mama nakastay. Ayan. If you come over here, guys, makikita nyo na meron tayong, ayan, we have one double-sized bed and isang floor mattress. And then, they have a cabinet. And again, as I've mentioned, meron din silang sariling toilet and bath. Ayan, medyo smaller siya, no? Kaysa dun sa unit namin. So, and next, for our last bedroom, ito si na Jessa. Ayan. They have 2 double beds and ito pala yung floor mattress na extra. Ganyan. So, actually, wala siyang balcony but they do have their own aircon. They also have their own toilet and bath. Wala siyang bathtub kasi yung bathtub nandun lang sa master's bedroom. So, ayan guys, that completes our room tour, no, sa unit na to. I can post the link of the Airbnb unit in the description box. So, ano yung pros ng unit nito? It definitely can fit a big family. It's also affordable for just 8,000 pesos per night. That's excluding yung mga cleaning fee natin. It's also at the center of Cebu. Lapit lang siya dun sa metro na grocery store sa Ayala Business Park. So, it's in the exact same location as the previous unit we've stayed. Okay. So, that ends our Airbnb tour. See you later!
I go to a different place. There's so many Minecraft. Tell them there's so many Minecraft. So many Minecraft. You like to say, here's a cell phone, iPhone.
Good evening everybody. Time check, it's 6:22. At pupunta na po kami para kumain ng dinner sa... Saan tayo magdi-dinner daw man? Dito daw po muna kami sa kabila, sa 88th Avenue. Tingnan namin kung ano pwedeng kainin dyan. So, nakatulog tayo guys. Meron tayong energy today hanggang sa meeting natin mamaya. Oh no! Go Kaylan! Walk lang! Go Kaylan! Guys, panay premium yung mga kainan dito. It's still the same as last time na pagpunta natin. And meron na rin mga open na shop sa taas, which is before wala. It's a mixture of Japanese and Korean yung area na ito. Like may mga Japanese restaurants like this. And then merong unlimited yakiniku sa taas. Yay! Hello guys, we have complimentary Hemul Pajon.
Pabala na
We
mo.
will try.
Ano? Kajon?
Hemul Pajon.
Butang di pala bag mo. Kapatis pa. Kakatapos lang po namin kumain sa ating Korean Modern Bistro. So how would you rate? How would you rate it? 6. Come here. Come here. Ayun guys, okay lang yung kinain namin. We rate it as a 6 over 10 nga. Kasi parang nakakaumay yung mga kinain natin. Masarap siya sa first, second bite. Oh, masarap yung ramen. Masarap din yung geranjim. It's nice. And the complimentary pajon. And nandito na kami guys sa Ayala Center. Sila dumiretso nang balik sa condo, no? Kasi we still have kids na kasama. So ngayon mag-iikot kami dito maghahanap ng dessert before we go back. Meron pa akong meeting by 10 p.m. Use spoon here. Ito pala. Ayan yung isang spoon. Yan po yung isang spoon. Ang laki pala. Wow, okay. Thank you. What do you have? You have speculoos and chocolate. Sugar-free daw.
Sugar-free chocolate. Ito, he has sugar-free chocolate and pistachio. And I have mint chocolate, our favorite. And we are back guys dito sa ating Airbnb. Very short lang ang vlog natin today, no? We flew to Cebu. Nag-shoot tayo ng short Airbnb tour. I showed you saan kami kumain ng dinner. And now, we're back here. And we're gonna go ahead and rest. And may work na tayo maya-maya. Don't forget to... like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.